Okay, hello guys. So I just wanted to talk about something really quick. It's just gonna be a short video, just giving you guys some tips about Instagram. Basically, certain hashtags, if you use them, they're likely to get you shadow banned after a while, I believe. I don't even know what shadow banned entirely means. But certain hashtags, if you use them, your pictures won't show up when people search those hashtags. Basically, it's kind of confusing. But I'm gonna show you what hashtags you should be using and what hashtags will get you banned, or hashtags that are banned, pretty much. Sorry if that was confusing. But basically, this hashtag right here, Sinn hair. So if you use this one, you can see that it has three things. It has related hashtags, it has top, the word top, and it has the word recent. And you can click on these and it will show you the top posts or the most recent posts. So it has all three of these things, meaning that it is a good hashtag to use. It won't get you banned. This hashtag itself is not banned. So it's perfectly fine to use. Another example of one that would be perfectly fine to use is the hashtag alternative, because it has related, it has top, and it has recent. Yeah, so this one is fine to use. I was kind of wondering if you guys would see your own pictures in these screenshots that I took. That would be kind of weird. But yeah, if you're on here, congratulations, you're on a Sinn Kids video. Okay, so here's one that is questionable. Hashtag alternative girl. It has the top and it has the recent, but it doesn't have related hashtags, meaning that this one has the potential to hide your posts, basically. I'm not sure if it would get you shadow banned, but it will hide your posts if you use alternative girl, so I wouldn't use this one personally. Next, we have another example of one that's questionable to use, unfortunately, because this is me, Serena Raquel. See, we have a top, we have a recent, but we don't have the related hashtags. So yeah, as much as I like using hashtags Serena Raquel, I used to put this on all of my posts, but I stopped after I learned these tricks. So yeah, this is another example of one that you might not want to use. Now, one that you definitely do not want to use because it is for sure banned, an example of that would be hashtag lingerie. There's no top, there's no recent, and there's no related hashtags. If you don't see any of those three things, you do not want to use this hashtag because your posts won't show up in there and it could get you shadow banned, I think. Yeah, so that's an example of one you wouldn't want to use. But yeah, if it's missing all three, don't use that. If it has these two but not the related, then it's questionable and you probably don't want to use it. I mean, you can, but you probably shouldn't. And then if it has all three, related, top, and recent, then it's a perfect hashtag. There's no problems with it. So I hope that that made some sense. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Hopefully now you know what hashtags you should be using and which ones you probably shouldn't. Yeah, bye guys.